Hi guys, let's have a little overview of the rumored Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4. It's not usually something you applaud when a phone manufacturer decides to reduce the base storage capacity of one of its products. However, I was pleased to learn this week that Samsung may offer a Galaxy Z Fold 4 model with less storage than its predecessor. This is a conceivable approach for the forthcoming foldable. Why? Because it lays the path for consumers to have a more cheap choice with the Galaxy Z Fold 4. And that's fantastic news for foldable phones generally in the future. The Galaxy Z Fold 4's potential storage possibilities were first reported by Evan Blass, a typically trustworthy leaker who is particularly skilled at extracting information about Samsung smartphones. The Galaxy Z Fold 4 will reportedly start out with 128GB of storage, 256GB and 512GB storage choices should also be available, according to Blass. Please like this video if you are a Samsung phone lover. Let me know in the comment section what you are looking out for in this new flagship, and if you haven't subscribed already then hit subscribe button now so you don't miss a thing in the future. On paper, that is a step down from the Galaxy Z Fold 3, which came standard with 256GB of storage. Additionally, buyers could upgrade to a 512GB Z Fold 3. With cell phones, it's common for storage to increase with each new iteration. Think of the Apple iPhone 13, whose base capacity was eventually increased to 128GB after years of 64GB models being offered. Unless there is a proportional decrease in price, it is generally not a good idea to offer customers less storage than previously. And for that reason, if accurate, I think the Galaxy Z Fold 4 storage rumor is fantastic news. It shows that Samsung is serious about making foldable phones a realistic alternative for regular customers rather than just a niche product. Offering more affordable prices is one method to accomplish this. And make no mistake, the Galaxy Z Fold 3's price is not in the least bit affordable. The price of that phone is $1,799. That's a lot of money to spend on a phone, even with the greatest Galaxy Z Fold 3 discounts bringing down the cost, especially given the rising costs of additional necessary things. However, Samsung's intention to provide a less expensive model of its foldables isn't merely a result of the market's present pricing environment. The business is obviously betting on popularizing the Galaxy Z series, especially among smartphone users who wish to increase their productivity by using devices that provide larger screen real estate for working. If not, the phone manufacturer wouldn't have discontinued the Galaxy Note range in order to concentrate more on foldables. To demonstrate how decreasing prices can increase demand in a phone, all one needs to do is consider what's occurring with Samsung's second foldable handset, the Galaxy Z Flip series. Prior to a further price reduction, the initial Galaxy Z Flip launched in 2020 for $1,380. The Galaxy Z Flip 3 broke the $1,000 barrier for the first foldable a year later, with a starting price of $999. It's probably not a coincidence that Galaxy Z Flip sales took off after the phone dipped below $1,000. Last fall, Samsung reported that sales for the Galaxy Z Flip 3 were 40 times greater than its predecessor. There is no way in hell that we will ever see a fold that costs less than $1,000, but even a reduction of a few $100s from the Galaxy Z Fold's $1,799 pricing would be a positive move. A lower starting price will help allay concerns that people may have about a device with only 128GB of storage. This is in addition to all the other rumored Galaxy Z Fold 4 improvements, including a powerful Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 chipset, a smaller, less noticeable hinge, and a less noticeable crease across its unfolded display. According to rumors, Samsung is considering various options for producing foldables that are more reasonably priced, such as developing a mid-range foldable lineup with fewer features, much like the Galaxy A phones are less expensive alternatives to the Galaxy S flagships. But that will happen later. Right now, lowering the Galaxy Z Fold's overall cost is necessary to increase its attractiveness. I believe Samsung has discovered a method to achieve just that, based on this latest storage report. We should learn the answer soon. The Galaxy Z Fold 4 is expected to make its debut at the upcoming Galaxy Unpacked event, which is expected to take place in around a month. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe and comment the country you are watching from. See you in my next video.